Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a complete toolkit walkthrough on these awesome 26-inch compact toolkits. Now these are perfect for a new apprentice, a home car enthusiast, or a professional trade in general. So we have 3 different level modules available in these red and black devil kits, being the introductory, intermediate and advanced. So the introductory is available in our 10-drawer tool chest and the 17-drawer workshop. The intermediate and advanced is available in our 17-drawer workshop only. So let's check out the introductory level. So to start us off, we've got the introductory level kit featured in our red devil. Our 97-piece socket accessory tray carries a range of sockets and accessories to suit all needs. Carries a range of 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive chrome vanadium sockets ranging from 4mm up to 32mm and 532 up to 1.25 inch. Got breaker bars in 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 drive, plus a full range of socket accessories. Not only do you have this huge socket tray, but also all these deep socket rails in both metric and imperial in 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. You've got a hacksaw, a 36-piece feeler gauge, 8 and 10-inch shifters. Check out this 16-ounce ball peen hammer, 10-inch multi-grip, and this handy 38-piece 1/4 inch security bit set. Check out this stainless steel ratchet, handle and extension, perfect for compact spaces at only 95mm long. 27 Allen keys, all in 9-piece sets, metric, imperial, and an extra long Torx key set, all made from S2 quality steel. Jimmy's bread and butter, the ring open end spanner tray. These high quality chrome vanadium spanners range from 7mm to 21mm and 1/4 inch to 15/16. We've also got this 8-piece go-through screwdriver set with S2 quality magnetic tips and acetate handles for impact resistance in a foam EVA tray. Check out this 4-piece super robust internal and external circlip plier set. Also the 4-piece ply set with side cutters, long nose, linesman and locking pliers, both in our ripstop canvas pouches. Finally, our 26-piece ratcheting spanner tray with sizes ranging from 8mm to 21mm and 1/4 inch to 1 inch. All made from quality chrome vanadium steel with a polished mirror finish. So that finishes up our introductory level. So next we'll move on to the intermediate, which we'll be showcasing in our 17-drawer workshop. So to start us off, we've got this specialty 28-piece combination spanner trays. We've got our super popular long ringies ranging from 8 to 24mm, stubby ratchet spanners ranging from 8 to 19mm, standard flare nuts in both metric and imperial, all covered by our lifetime warranty. So in the second drawer here, we've got a 10-piece punch and chisel set alongside our 1.5 kilo club hammer and 1400 gram dead blow hammer. We've got this 5-piece pickup and inspection set, this handy round magnetic tray, as well as 8-piece in-hex impact socket sets in both metric and imperial, both in 1/2 inch drive. We've got this 12-inch rigid jaw shifter, 4-piece pry bar set, LED work light. Now this is super bright and it has a really strong magnetic base. Absolutely perfect for working underneath vehicles, and especially so when you're using one of our hammerhead hoist ranges. We've also got this 1/2 inch torque wrench with torque ranging from 40 up to 210 Newton meters. Now in this next drawer, we've got our 10-piece crow's foot spanner set in metric and 7-piece set in imperial, both in 3/8 drive. A massive 54-piece bit set with all the most common hex, star, spline and tamper-proof bits, all in one neat case, all materials made from S2 quality steel. This 5-piece mag wheel nuts impact socket set in 17, 19, 21, 22 and 27mm, all in 1/2 inch drive. We've got this 17-piece drain plug set, a trim tool remover, and this go-through lug nut set. Check out this triple line clamp pack. This high-quality ratcheting crimping ply kit with interchangeable multiple heads. 1/2 inch drive oil filter wrench, long probe circuit tester and inline spark plug tester. We've got this massive 1.5 litre oil transfer syringe and 10-piece hook, pin and wrench kit. We've got these 2 5-piece rails with deep impact sockets, both in imperial. And finally, this 42-piece short and deep metric impact socket set in 1/2 inch drive, including a 1/2 inch drive impact uni joint and 125mm impact extension bar. So that concludes our intermediate level toolkit. This final add-on module will bring us up to the advanced level and will be showcased in the 17-drawer Red Devil workshop. So to start us off, we've got this 12-piece metric and imperial upgraded spanner tray with sizes from 22mm to 32mm and 1 inch to 1.25 inch. We've got this 15-inch huge rigid jaw shifter and a 75-piece metric and imperial tap and die set. And so finally, we've got these 8-piece 3/4 inch drive deep impact socket sets in metric and imperial, both in blow mold casing. That concludes our complete red and black devil walkthrough. So some of these kits are available from just $20 a week with our 24 months interest-free finance options, making these brilliant kits more affordable than ever. So thanks for watching, and if you wish to secure one of these powerhouse kits, then message us or give us a call on 08 8269 9700.